Hello everyone and welcome to today's video where we dive into some life-changing advice straight from a 102-year-old doctor. If you or a loved one are above 70, you might want to pay extra attention because what you eat can truly change your life. Imagine living over a century with a clear mind and a healthy body. It might sound like a dream, but today we're sharing some secrets that can help you feel more energetic and vibrant every day. Before we begin, if you enjoy simple tips that can lead to a healthier life, please give this video a like and hit that subscribe button. Your support means a lot, and it helps bring more easy, everyday health tips right to you. Stay tuned for more life-enhancing advice coming your way soon. Have you ever wondered why some foods might harm you more as you get older? In today's video, we're going to reveal a list of 10 common foods that you might need to reconsider if you're over 70. These foods can affect your energy, your heart health, and even your mood. Our discussion is based on real advice from a doctor who has seen a century of life experiences. So, if you care about living well, sit back and listen closely, because making a few smart choices in your diet can help you enjoy a better quality of life. Let's start our countdown from 10 to 1, with number 1 being the most important food to avoid. 10. White bread and refined pasta. White bread and refined pasta are made from grains that have been stripped of most of their fiber and nutrients. This means that while they are easy to eat and digest, they can cause your blood sugar levels to rise quickly. A sudden spike in blood sugar may lead to a burst of energy, but soon after, you might experience an energy crash that leaves you feeling tired. Over time, relying too much on these foods may contribute to weight gain and other health issues. For those over 70, maintaining steady energy and stable blood sugar levels is important, and these refined carbs can work against that goal by providing little nutritional value and potentially affecting overall health. 9. Sugary cereals. Sugary cereals may seem like a quick and easy breakfast option, but many of these cereals are packed with added sugars. This high sugar content can disrupt your energy balance, causing rapid rises and falls in blood sugar that may leave you feeling fatigued or less alert. Additionally, sugary cereals often lack the whole grains and fiber needed to keep you full and satisfied until your next meal. For older adults who need consistent energy levels and proper nutrition to support their health, these cereals can be a poor choice. Instead, opting for cereals that are lower in sugar and higher in fiber can provide a more stable and nutritious start to the day. 8. Processed meats. Processed meats such as hot dogs, bacon, and deli slices are convenient and flavorful, but they come with some drawbacks. These foods are often high in salt and preservatives, which can put extra stress on your heart and blood pressure. The salt in these meats helps preserve them, but consuming too much salt can lead to increased blood pressure and other heart-related issues. Furthermore, many processed meats contain chemicals that might have adverse effects when consumed regularly over time. For those over 70, it's important to choose foods that support a healthy heart and overall well-being. So cutting back on processed meats can be a significant step toward a healthier lifestyle. 7. Fried foods. Fried foods are very popular because of their crispy texture and rich taste, but they come with some downsides. When food is fried, it absorbs a lot of oil, which means it can contain high levels of unhealthy fats. These fats, especially when used in deep frying, can increase the risk of heart problems by raising cholesterol levels. Additionally, fried foods can be hard to digest, which might lead to discomfort or indigestion, especially for older adults. Over time, eating a lot of fried food can contribute to weight gain and other related health issues. For those over 70 who need to be extra careful about heart health and digestion, it might be best to limit fried foods and choose healthier cooking methods like baking, steaming, or grilling. 6. Soda and sugary drinks. Soda and sugary drinks are often enjoyed for their sweet taste and refreshing fizz, but they can have hidden health risks. These beverages are loaded with sugar, which can cause a rapid spike in blood sugar levels followed by a sudden drop. Such fluctuations can leave you feeling tired and can contribute to long-term health issues like diabetes. Moreover, sugary drinks add extra calories to your diet without providing any essential nutrients. For older adults, maintaining stable blood sugar levels is very important, and the constant sugar rush from these drinks can lead to energy imbalances and even weight gain. Replacing soda with water or unsweetened beverages can help maintain a healthier lifestyle. 5. Fast food. Fast food is a convenient option when you're in a hurry, but it often comes at a cost to your health. Many fast food meals are high in salt, sugar, and unhealthy fats. These ingredients can work together to create a recipe for weight gain, high blood pressure, and other chronic health problems. Fast food is usually prepared quickly, which means it might not be cooked in the healthiest way possible. For example, many fast food items are deep fried or prepared with processed ingredients that have lost much of their natural nutrients. For those over 70 who need to be mindful of heart health and maintaining a balanced diet, relying on fast food too frequently can be particularly harmful. Opting for home-cooked meals made from fresh ingredients is a better choice to keep your body strong and healthy. 4. High-sodium canned soups. High-sodium canned soups are a common choice for a quick meal, but they can be harmful if you consume them too often. These soups are made with a lot of salt to help preserve the flavor and extend their shelf life. However, the extra salt can raise your blood pressure and put a strain on your heart, especially for older adults. Instead of relying on canned soups, consider making your own soup with fresh ingredients where you can control the amount of salt used. 3. Salty snacks, chips, crackers, etc. Salty snacks such as chips, crackers, and pretzels often contain high levels of sodium. Consuming too much salt from these snacks can lead to elevated blood pressure, increasing the risk of heart problems. Instead, try choosing healthy alternatives like unsalted nuts or fresh vegetables with a light dip, which can satisfy cravings while supporting overall health. 2. Pastries and sweet baked goods. Pastries and sweet baked goods, such as cakes, cookies, and donuts, are tempting treats filled with refined sugars and unhealthy fats. Over time, eating these sugary snacks too often may contribute to weight gain, diabetes, and other health issues. A healthier option would be to enjoy fresh fruits or baked treats made with whole grains and less sugar. 1. Trans fats and hydrogenated oils. Trans fats and hydrogenated oils are the top food items to avoid. These harmful fats are often found in processed foods, such as margarine, snack foods, and baked goods. Trans fats can raise bad cholesterol, while lowering good cholesterol, significantly increasing the risk of heart disease and stroke. For those over 70, eliminating trans fats from the diet is crucial for maintaining heart health. Carefully reading labels and choosing products free of hydrogenated oils can help protect your heart and keep you feeling strong and vibrant. Thank you for watching and joining us on this journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips.